How to become invisible on Discord. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on Discord. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can become invisible on Discord application. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So first of all, you need to open your Discord application and make sure that you're signed in to your account. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You need to tap on that one, and once you tap on that one, there is the user setting, and just below the user setting you will find the option set status. So you need to tap on that one, and here, as you can see, there is online, idle, do not disturb, invisible, and set is custom status. You can choose a custom status as well, but if you want to become invisible but you need to read that one, you will not appear online but will have full access to all of Discord. So that means that nobody can see you online. I will just go back to show you here. See, the status right now of my account on Discord is online. Anybody can see that I am online right now, and it will show a green dot just beside online. But if you become invisible, if you tap on invisible, so as you can see, you will go offline. As I am online right now, but I will be shown offline to everybody, but I have access to all the features of Discord. So guys, if you want to become online again, so all you need to do is to go back and just tap on the set status, and then you need to just tap on online and you will be shown online. So guys, this is all it takes to become invisible on Discord application. I hope you liked the video. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And guys, please, if you have any suggestion for us, you can write down in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.